guys, we're actually going to work on this second part of your identifying triangles assignment. This is for number 2, okay? So this says we're going to print out or view the next page, determine which triangles are equilateral, isosceles, scalene, right, obtuse, and acute. Okay, so this is the next page. And if you want to cut it out and sort them out into the different categories, you can. You can sort them by side. So you're looking for equilateral or isosceles or scalene. Or you can sort them by angle, which is going to be right triangles, obtuse triangles, or acute triangles. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start with each triangle and list it into its correct category. All right. So for example, let's look at number 1. Here's number 1. I can tell that it has no right angles. Everything looks to be acute, or obtuse, and I can check that with the corner of my piece of paper. All right, so I know that I've got one obtuse angle. This is greater than 90 degrees, so I know that it's obtuse. So I'm going to come over to my paper. I can list number 1 as an obtuse triangle, okay? Now, I also want to see, is it equilateral, isosceles, or scalene? Well, if I measure, this is a small side, this one's a little bit bigger, this one's really long, all 3 sides are of different length. That means it's scalene. So I come over and I put it also as number 1. All right, then I'm going to continue. I can go on with number 2, 3, 4, all the way to triangle 14. So for example, I can look at number 2. Well, already I can see there's a right angle here. So I know it's going to be a right triangle, okay? I look at number 2, I said, oh, okay, well, it's a right triangle, but this length plus that length, so this length and this length, this is the same. If I were to measure from here to here, or from here to here, that's the same length. But this is longer, which means that 2 sides are equal, but not the third. That means it's isosceles, okay? And I just keep going until I've got all my triangles listed in the right categories, in the right attributes.